Look how long me left the boy. Me no understand a little birdie tell me say you release the calling and but I know my business. That go take a drive to the dock. Stop say you bad cause I just a gun pussy bus shot.
Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's boy Jambisco back with another crazy update. Yeah man, Dan Mafia, I'm back in this with another crazy update. And as you can see from the preview of the intro, yeah man, that was basically Jada Kingdom letting Stefflon know, say yo, a little birdie tell me say no man, you release the Conan and a burner boy buy that for you man. You see me, and that has been burning up the internet all day, all night, ever since he dropped her new song, Accept That, and people just are run with it. You see me, that one, the line it definitely kind of hit Steph a different way. You see me, I say that line it definitely have some punch to it. But yeah man, people, let me know anything about that line. I don't know what you think about the new track that Jada released called Accept That. But yeah man, we got different topics talking about in this update. Today we actually have Derrick man. Yeah man, dog hit up Jada online on IG. Basically I say, yo, Jada, you need to link me up. No. After you use my voice to make song, you know man. You see me now, say you use my voice in that song. You say, yo, you use my voice to make song. You need to link me up man and help me out right now. I dead like a dog in the streets. You know, I know if it's still art type of things. You see me, and Jada did post about him, say yo, people to send her socials and all that stuff so she can link him up. So we'll stick around to see what exactly resulted from him. And I'm also gonna play you the video when Derrick sent a message to Jada. Yeah, and apart from that, gang, also we have a video of Jada going live on TikTok with a social media influencer where she basically talking, say yo, Steph not ready for the war. Ready for war. She's not that creative. She's ready for clash. You know, she's not thinking outside of the box, and she should have been. Should have been done with Steph, like she's declaring herself the winner. I'm also gonna play the video of that for you as well, so y'all can drop your thoughts and let me know what you think about that. You see me, I say gang, but yeah man. First thing I'll play is Derrick Morgan going live. Basically, I play Jada. Check it out, guys.
Good night. Jada Kingdom, this is Derrick Morgan. I just hear your song about Derrick Morgan, and I like you could have helped me right now, Jada Kingdom, because I'm homeless, live on the street. I want to help me. You see, you put out your song and put my voice on your song, so may I beg you assistant help with it. And I need some help right now with Jada Kingdom. Jada Kingdom, you need to run off your Uncle Derrick now in Jamaica. I suffer like a dog on the street. Man want to kill me. You can't help me to find an apartment to live right now, Jada Kingdom. Help me out right now. Reach out to Derrick Morgan. No, Jada Kingdom. Act like a big man, Jada Kingdom. Act like a big.
People that was Derrick Morgan hitting up Jada, say yo, Jada, I need to link up now, man. You see me, I say Derrick out there so far in the street, link me up, man. You see me, I say. And it was a very funny video, but Jada did eventually hit him up, and she made this post right here on social media. And yeah, so it looked like Jada is reaching out and going to help him up, and it's a good look. So big up yourself, Jada, for that. Also, gang, yeah, we have another video of Jada going live on TikTok with a popular social media influencer where she's basically doing like an interview. You're just talking and stuff, and she say, yo, Steph not ready for clash, man. And she, you know what I'm saying, she not creative, she not thinking outside the box, and basically she not ready. So I'm gonna play this video. Y'all can check it out and let me know what your thoughts are.
We're not taking nothing from the lady because her fans are making it seem as if, oh, I'm, downplaying her thing. However, she's downplaying her own thing. Like she's not creative enough for a clash. Like she's not, she don't have no idea. You understand? She's playing herself. She's giving me too much free ammunition. Like, yeah. One, you come on a ball about your son and like you shouldn't, you have a son how much years before me, nobody else know you have a son. Like you know what I'm saying, you put yourself in this position. You should think about your son, your mother, your past, everybody, everything. And it's crazy because it's so much things I didn't even put in the song because I'm like, okay, let me wait. But then when I see she come with this, is like, oh, Jano, really? This is too, it's good, but for a comeback, to respond to stuff like us, Now that's not my life.
It's too late,
but
and there's not enough punchlines.
My respect to Shana back down, but it's like if I can't, I promise you everything I love. I mean, I put this pan, me, I put this pan, everything I love, my family. I put this pan, my dead baby them. Like, if I should preview. I should even preview. It's trust me, no, it don't even make a sense. I'm not doing it. I can't even do it to her. Like, I love it. Because I know what it's gonna be. She's a bigger artist, and the world is on her back. Like respond, so she's gonna respond just to respond. Man, please, Mount asking. I'm here to talk with the song because you say a girl fuck your man and she pick it her box. Who in the world knows say who knows say fuck her man? Me. So what me do is ask her who you talk. You run gang go put song like people are blowing this. Them I get it twisted. So fuck that and just focus on the entertainment. You understand? Like, and people talk about Burke and Ray. My thing is she not say the right things then. People don't have it say she by herself, the car. I have to come out and say, well, you get Birkin, we get Colonan, but you never say so. That means, okay, the man never buy you a Colonan. Because you're not talk about things, them. Even in the new song, it's just like, you're not set. The Dash Your Belly argument is just so lame, like, whatever. Like, you're wasting mad lines to really kick me in my guts. You're not doing it. I don't feel attacked. I don't feel threatened. I don't feel nothing. Like, it's just, and to what, I promise you, like, I already have I've been having a song from yesterday. It's too slow. I can't. Like, honestly, like, I'm too, I'm too with it.
For the
that. You can't come out and I confirm and I deny nothing like and I talk about you're done, I'm not because you know at this point let's just fight because girl please I just lost the respect. It's boring to me now. Allow it. Somebody call for and somebody else.
You did
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.